this next recipe is called tempeh roll-ups. They're an absolute delicious snack, either for after school. We sometimes have it for breakfast. And so it's a vegan dish, and it's full of healthy, organic, natural ingredients, very alive foods. So let's start. And Hugo's actually going to tell us how to make it. Go on, Higgs.
So, we cook some tempeh, and get some sauerkraut.
I'm going to go ahead and cook some tempeh.
Avocado.
So we've got the pan on over
and
here.
Some lettuce.
Yeah.
And then put the tempeh in the roller.
Mm-hmm.
Or you could put some cheese, some like cream with it.
Yeah, that's right. We've got some cashew cheese. And cashew cheese, what is cashew cheese, Hugo? Just reading from the back here.
Cashews.
Activated raw cashews and some filtered water, organic onions, and turmeric and natural starter culture. So that one is so delicious. And so Rangi, why don't you pop your tempeh in there? And tell us, Rangi, what are tempeh?
Fermented soybeans.
That's right. So pop it in. So the pan needs to be nice and hot. We've just poured a little bit of coconut oil, but you can also use some butter or some ghee for a less vegan option.
That's good.
Yeah. You can just sort of move them around so they don't get too cooked on the bottom. To give it an extra kick, I'm going to be using some coconut aminos. It's replaceable by soy sauce or tamari, but this organic Cocoa Amino Originals from Nui Life has literally spiced up my life. Spiced it up. Here we go. Step back, guys. There you go. Now flip them over. So the tempeh, when it's done, you'll know when it's done, it becomes a little bit more crunchier and it's brown on both sides. Golden brown is what we're looking for. So once we've done cooking that, we turn it off and it's ready to use in the roll-ups. So Hugo, can you show us, because this is really a cooking show to help inspire other kids to get busy in the kitchen. So show us how you would make a roll-up. What would you normally do?
One minute.
Yeah, just use these lettuce leaves there, babe.
I'm going to get you a tempeh.
Put the tempeh on.
Mm.
And with this, put on.
Some sauerkraut. It's all right, you can use your hands, babe. Yummy sauerkraut, good for the gut, good bacteria, right?
Mm-hmm.
What else, darling?
Ivo.
Pop it on your plate. There we go.
Do
You can use a spoon.
That's another way.
Yum.
Oh my gosh, this hurts a lot.
And this is super delicious finger food for any occasion. The roll-ups, I mean, you can use cos lettuce. Here you go. You can use cos lettuce, but you can also use nori wraps or rice paper rolls. Yum. So this is some cashew butter, cashew cream cheese. Delish. All right, now with the cashew cream on it, what else do you need on it? Nothing?
Mm-hmm.
All done? All ready to go? All right, pop it in your mouth. See what that tastes like. Little roll-ups. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, so cute. There you've got it, guys. Tempeh roll-ups made with cashew cream cheese, a bit of sauerkraut, and avocado. And you can also put a little bit of coconut aminos at the end if you wanted a little bit of a zing. It's super delicious. Some of these also come with some chili in it. So there we go. I hope you enjoy making that yourselves.